Welcome back, guys. I missed you guys. I haven't backtested in a while. Today is December 27th, Friday. It's currently 7:31 p.m. where I live, and we are backtesting the week of September 13th, 2021. So, last time I backtested was like maybe a week ago, and at that time I was just getting really tired of backtesting. But now we're back. We're doing good. I'm a little sick, so that's, always a sad thing, but I'm recovering well. Today will probably be the last day I'm sick. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get right into backtesting, man. We haven't backtested in a while. I feel strong. I feel good. I missed backtesting a lot. Believe it or not, I actually forgot about it. Up until now, I'm like, oh my god, I haven't backtested, which is good. I needed that break. I really did. I was backtesting hours upon hours every day. I think it gets to an unhealthy point. So we have this buy side, sell side imbalance. Buy side in damn, this is how you know I haven't backed in a while. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Thank you. We have this daily order block right there that we have yet to tap, but we did tap like this for value gap down here as well. It's not necessarily the discount of this range, but it's in a bullish market. So let's see how we respond to this 4 hour. It is no trade Monday, so we respected the dig down, tap the order block. So now we're permitted to go higher. Okay, we inverse this 15 minutes. So let's see what we do here on a 5-minute. Maybe we tap something and then continue higher. So we come down. Don't really tap a 5 minutes, which is unfortunate. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a 5 minute, especially with this order block wick right there. That would have been nice if we came down a little more. So I'm not really I wouldn't really take that unless we get something better. Maybe like over here. We have those equal highs too, so that might help us. Okay, so we're tapping. There's not really much going on here, honestly. It's really funky. Maybe this discounted 5 minute of this leg will help us return higher, but okay, it might do it here. By that point, we're just too much of a discount. I'm not really digging this trade. I'm just gonna let it run. It's not even a good setup, honestly. Yeah, it's a terrible setup. Alright, let's see. Maybe 2 p.m. clears up a little bit, helps us out with something. Oh man, tap the 15 minute. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. What are we in? Daily. Tap the block. Hourly looks like it's gonna want to keep going lower. That's just what it looks like right now. Tap that 15 minute right there. We have a 5 minute that might still be respected, but the way this is looking like a little breaker. Is there an equal highs? No. Breaker, order block. About to create a fair value gap as well. Realistically, this might just want to keep going lower. Is there any specific lows that we have yet to take? Nah, nothing really except for AM session lows. It can work for sure. See on ES, do we have like an SM? We do have an SMT with these highs. 1045, 1245, 1045, 1245. Okay, so it looks solid, honestly. There's a 5 minute fair value gap though. That's the only thing. And there is an order block here that could counter it. I'm gonna hold off, but it looks good. This would be my break-even point. So I don't know if we would have gotten it. Maybe we would have gotten it. I don't know. I just didn't feel comfortable taking it. I wanted 2 would be... Yeah, we would have gotten a 1. Oh, I did not mean to close that out. Alright, well, 250, maybe that looks pretty strong. There's equal highs there, so I can't take it. Those are equal, right? Yeah, those are equal. Alright, well, let's go to the next session. And besides, it's 3 o'clock, so I would never take that. Let's go to the next session here. Main thing is we were right. That's all. It's 8:30 news. Low right there. Okay. We're pumping for sure, respecting that weekly fair value gap. I'm bullish overall. My bias is bullish. Hourly fair value gap. We're pumping, man. I need to see something like where I'm like, yeah, let's take it. We took out this high, 830 high. We may just want to dump a little more of that low. Yeah, here it is. We're dumping. We just didn't have any trades going into it, which is fine. Yeah, all right. We actually may want to keep going lower down here to these lows and London lows right there. I didn't even notice that. It's a good target. Very good target. Let's just see if we could get more than this 5 minute. Actually, it's a pretty nice 5 minute. We are on a discount of this range. However, all that 2 minute for value gaps inversed. We just don't have that breaker kind of formation. I wish we had that breaker. Fuck, we don't. I can't really take it. Okay, we tapped the 15 minute now. That's better. This is my model here. Is there a 4 minute fair value gap? Is that really a tiny 4 minute? It is, but I like the 3 minute fair value gap a little more. What is that? It's a 24. What about that 4 minute? I mean, this will look like it's definitely gonna work. If 4 minute respected, so did the 3. So that's very interesting. Don't like that we left equal highs now. No, it's not even equal highs. Wait, is it? No, it's not. I'm not gonna take that. I needed something. I needed a better entry than that. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Did we get the? We didn't get the 3 minute or 4 minute. No. Well, we got it, but it's such a discount. It wasn't worth trading. It's fine. We'll find something better here. Alright, it might go up a little more here. Yeah, I figured. This candle right here would have been nice. Break even at that. Probably go up. Yeah, okay. Well, let's go to the PM. See if we can catch something here. Just delete all this. So I'm expecting today to go higher now. Daily being respected. Yeah, I'm expecting today to be bullish here. I like that we're tapping into well, there is a little bit of liquidity, but we have this discount of 15 minute that we're tapping in, and also just sort of block. We'll see, but can't deny downside looks delicious too. All right, well, of course it's gonna run without us there. Yeah, there's no way I could have entered this. I mean, even with this one, nah, it's not really my setup yet. Okay, we tapped, we didn't take the 15. Bro, I need to see some clear price action here. It's been a little choppy here. Minute had inversed. man. Alright, well, this is quite interesting. SMT though, for sure. Okay. With those lows. So, I don't know. I need to wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out and see if I could get better price action than this. Except the 15-minute. We have this 2-minute clear ash inversion. Actually, this looks pretty decent. Would I take this? Oh, 2 minutes right before the open, or 3 minutes? It's a little risky, honestly. I don't know if I would be like happy to take it because it could run up one more time. So I'm not gonna really take it just yet, honestly. That looks fucking clear as day here. What do we do? 15-minute tap, and then we come up, tap that 5-minute order block, and then look at that like breaker here. This low, high, or high, low, higher, high. Sorry, and then this order block violation. Okay, this looks really clear that it will be good. Break even after those lows. Stop at this high. TP down here for a 1 to 2. Go a little further. 1 to 2. Alright, looks pretty good here. Break even as soon as we sweep that low. So my break even is there. Alright, well. Wow. Okay. No, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have played it any differently. You know, it's unfortunate. Oh well. Alright. Let me delete that. Let's see. I mean, all our objectives really been met. There's these lows here that we could target now, but I don't know. All right, so we're pretty much pumping down. I mean, yeah, I like this bottom here, I guess. I mean, it can. It's a choppy market, you know, there's no denying it. And I do recall being through this entire chop fit. Oh my god, dude. This is crazy. Wow. So I do recall the market being choppy, so we can easily just go back up now. But yeah, we'll see. I wanted to see a run up into that 15-minute before even trading lower. Alright, well, I'm honestly done with this market. Looks like it's gonna go up here for sure. Alright, I'd go break even there. Damn, I wouldn't have gone break even. Now I would. I wouldn't have even gotten a 1 to 2. Alright, let's just go to the next AM session and actually here test. See if we could get something. It is Thursday now, I believe. It's Wednesday. Okay, let's see. Maybe we get something here. That's a pretty obvious high, isn't it? Okay. Wow. Okay. Order block again tapped. We swept the sell side. Finally, we are permitted to continue going higher. I'm hoping now we actually do go higher. Come on. Give me a little. I want to see 10 o'clock go down and then back up. That's what I would prefer to see. That's honestly good enough for me. Version of this as well. We could go up to that 15-minute for sure. That'll be like our break-even point. Breaker formation, order block, inversion, fair value gap getting formed as well. Most likely, it's, you know, kind of like thinking it will. We could target that high up there, honestly. Let's see if there's an SMT as well. It'd be lovely. You have a weird SMT, but yeah, it looks pretty strong here. There's my break-even point, and I got break-even. I'll see if I could do it without FX replay. I can't. Okay. Well, I could have just put it, but I was hoping we'd just get a run instead of me having to fucking manually set it. Or I didn't even have to go back and think it. Whatever. Regardless, yeah. The reason we go break-even is because it's a 15-minute fair value gap that we'd be tapping into. But nonetheless, like at this point in price, right around what, like even this 2-minute, but like right here, if I didn't have longed it and if I wasn't in a long, I'd probably short against it, whatever, you know. But oh well, we'll see what we could do here. That actually looked pretty good, but I would have got break even pretty quick after we swept this. Oh, I wouldn't have even entered because we did sweep those equal highs already. Oh, no, we didn't. I can't even tell, bro. Honestly, I would have probably got break even regardless, so it doesn't even matter. All right, well, what did we tap? Sort of block still. Yeah, man, it's just a choppy market overall, you know. 15-minute inversed. Tapping that 5. Maybe we get some longs going here. Potentially here. Let me see if we could get an inversion set up. This 3-minute, that inverses in about 1 minute. Right? Inverses in about 1 minute. Yeah, it just inversed. Well, we closed, but now we're opening a 4-minute up, probably. Oh, that looks actually pretty good, man. I don't like that we have low resistance here. Are we rejecting off of anything? I mean, the 4-hour swept a lot of sell side. We have a 15-minute above, inverse that 15-minute fair value gap. We're tapping the 5. We are rejecting off of something. Rejecting off of this 5-minute fair value gap, so that's something good. You know, it's a good setup, but it's not my setup, so I'm not gonna be taking it. This, however, might be my setup. Let me see, 4-minute. Oh, I'm about to be 11. I'm just gonna let it pass. Let's see. Wow, man. Yeah, we'd have went through a lot of chop just to get probably stopped out. Yeah, it's not my setup. And there's a specific reason why it's not my setup. Alright, let's go to the PM session. It's Wednesday, you know, we're halfway through the week. Let's hope we catch something here, you know? Like, let's do something. We have this hourly order inversion, sorry, and then now we have this breaker setup. So I'm liking longs for sure. I mean, I have been the whole entire time, but market's been really silly, honestly. Like, you know, it's time now that it works in our favor. So let's see here. There's a 15-minute, huge one. I want to see a retracement, honestly. I don't feel comfortable longing in this area. You know, it looks like a decent short, but I need longs, and I'm not taking it off a 5-minute for this high into a premium. You know, like I need to see something more than just this. I need to see it dig down below again. Yeah, I'm not gonna long this, bro, until I get a good setup. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it run without me then. Honestly, we only 80 points. All right, let's go to the next session. Let's just see if we can catch something here. You know, we're still bullish. We come down, tap this 4-hour. This seems like a day where I would get a setup, but you've seen how the days have been playing. They haven't really been offering me a clear setup here. So let's hope that we get something here. I'm really hoping we do. I don't like that we came back down here. We shouldn't have done that. That's not something I would have really wanted to see. What did we reject? We didn't even reject off of anything. 15-minute, I mean, I guess. But like, it's not, I wouldn't have guessed that, honestly. Alright, so we have potential here at this. Okay. This is breaker, you know. For rally gap. We tap the balanced price range as well. If we were to long, it'd work now. 2-minute inverse. It's about to be 10 though, so I'm not gonna trade it. It's about to be 10. Let's see, maybe it was a Judah swing. Okay, this looks a bit better here. Oh, I don't like that 4-hour inversion lower though. That's something I would have preferred not seeing. 3-minute candle, open it now. Okay, we inverse the 3-minute candle, right? 10:06, yeah. And now we have like this kind of breaker for, I mean, you know, a bunch of lows. Okay, I like potential longs here, honestly. Just to, if we get back down here, we're probably just gonna get fucked. So let's just target 1 to 2. Now, is there a setup though? Like, let's be honest here. Hourly, let's see, what did the 10 a.m. candle do? We opened lower, so that's good, and then we're inversing higher. We're rejecting off of, there is a 4-hour order block. Did we close below the mean threshold of the body? No. Okay, so we could definitely see expansion higher, especially with this 4-hour candle just opening up as well. We'll go break even as soon as we sweep this high. So is there equal highs there too? There is. So okay, this is looking pretty decent here, honestly. There's our break even point as soon as we swept those highs. So let's see if we can just do it without FX replay. Of course not. But yeah, in the live market, I'll just go break even as soon as we take those equal highs, which is unfortunate. But you know, break evens are better than stop outs. That's how I always think about it as. All right, well, I'm not gonna trade this market. There's no way I'll be happy risking my capital in this anymore. Damn, bro, we stayed in the same area for 2.5 hours. That's insane. I'm happy I didn't. What? It's 104. I thought it was. Oh, we traded the AM session. Interesting. Okay, I thought it was the PM. All right, tapping the hourly fair value gap coming down. Let's see. Maybe we get like a move back up potentially. Let's see if we tap that though. I'm not taking it off a 5-minute. Is it a 5-minute? It's not even a 5-minute. All right. Well, we're doing a whole lot of nothing, so I'm really getting tired of this price action. I'll come back to this shitty ass price action. That's crazy. Minute tapped. Equal highs left behind, so I can't even take shorts against it, which fucking sucks because I would have probably shorted on this one right here. We'll break even after taking that, but there's equal highs, so I can't even do it. Alright, well, and then we left equal lows, so I don't even know what to do at this point. It's just a whole lot of nothing. Oh wow, okay, interesting. It looks like it's actually gonna work here. Wow, I should have entered. Fuck. I was expecting a shitty candle again, and then I would have entered after that. Did we didn't even take out that high, did we? We took out this one, but not this one. Damn, man, I really should have entered off that 5-minute. It's okay. We'll have another entry. Damn, that would have been the easiest. Wow. 1 to 2 RR. But it's fine. What is that? Is that like a 5-minute order block for value gap? Did we tap something that's, you know, relative to this range or in a premium? We have yet to tap that 15. You know, I would want something strong. I'm in an area right now where I'm like, okay, well, we're tapping a 5-minute. We have our setup here. Low, high, lower, low. Breaker, you know, inversion for value gap, etc. Let me see, is there an SMT with this area? No. In fact, the ES looks like it's ready to keep going higher. Okay, I mean, I don't like that we're in a premium. And it looks like it might even go down here. But in the rare case, it doesn't. There's this order block and fair value gap that's supporting price higher. And now we have that 1 minute inversion, disrespecting the order block. At least I think we're disrespecting this order block. Body to body we are. Now we have a fair value. Okay, so we have a lot that's like helping us go higher. We'll try it, you know, go break even after we sweep a swing high. And which swing high would be the most recent formed swing high. That's how we play it. So that high would be the break even point. Alright, well, break even, whatever. This was my break even point, by the way. That's the most recent swing high. So we took it, and then we come down, and that's when we get break even, which is fine. It's whatever. Now I'm expecting it to. Okay. Let's see. Maybe Friday wants to do something nice to us here, man. Maybe he really wants to help us out a little bit. Maybe it did right now. What are we at? We're more bearish than bullish. We're inverting everything lower. That's the only scary part. Do we have like... But it's like, it's our setup, you know? Do we have 10 a.m. highs right there? It's our setup. It's just we're not rejecting off anything per se, but it looks solid, honestly. 1 to 2. We could target it, go break even fairly quickly. Yeah, we should have not taken that. There was no rejection. It's our setup, but not our model. You see, we're all bearish, dude. Okay, we'll make it back right now. I shouldn't have taken that, but fuck, it looked good, bro. There's no denying it. Was that like a 5 minute? Nothing, bro. Wow, we're just dumping here today. I could have answered off that, but it was cutting it close to that. All right, let's go to the next week. See if we can catch something now. We'll go straight to the PM session. Okay. All right, we're dumping, obviously. I don't need to... I mean, anyone with half a brain could just look at it and say, yeah, we're dumping. All right, let's see if we could go up to that high, though. Fuck, that looks good, because there's a... Okay, 4 hour... 1 hour fair value gap. Touch the order block. The only thing I'm looking at, the only reason I'm even considering longs again, is the fact that we left equal highs or relative equal highs at that 15 minute. And then we inverse this 5 minute. You know, we wouldn't have done that. Do we have like a... Okay. We don't have any equal lows. We have a bunch of liquidity up there. I believe we will go up there, honestly. I believe it. We'll put our stop like right below here, this order block. TP 1 to 2. I think we'll do it, man. I really do believe it. There's our break-even point. Or we could target at 1 to 0.5. A 1 to 1? Nah, we're taking a 1.2. sure. You know what? Let's just, yeah, okay. Let's just do that. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know what to do after that point. It looked good. It looked really good. I'm glad we took it, but now it's just gonna dump. This right now looks like it's just gonna keep going lower. But I would never enter this because we're way too discounted. Okay, let's see. Maybe we get it before. Okay, took it. Whatever. It's up to 15 minute. Where are we at now, man? Like, we're taking everything, huh? We're dumping. We swept this sale side and we're tapping a 4 hour. Yeah, I cannot take shorts right now. I mean, we're dumping for sure. We tapped the 15 minute. That's true. We did inverse. I have a 2 minute right there. Let's see if this 2 minute inverses. It did. This would be the entry. The 2 minute that inversed. But it's too discounted. Like, I don't even know if I would want to take it. I don't think I'll take it. I'll just let it run. Okay, this 4 minute wants to fucking be a stupid dickhead. So, all right, there's this candle that we're tapping into it. Break even point would be there. It'd be hard for us to go back up there, but I wouldn't take this, honestly. I'll just let it go without me. Yeah, there's no way I would take it. Let's go to the next AM session. 1 hour inversed. 4 hour fair value gap right below us. Daily inversed. Okay. Well, I like shorts. There's this 4 hour low right there. I mean, fair value gap. So, oh man, that looks pretty good. Stop would be right below there. We do have London highs up here. I'm overall bearish right now. But like, if you look at it, it looks like it might actually want to run. Look at the expansive candles. Come down, sweep a bunch of sell side, tap a 4 hour fair value gap, and we reject this way. Oh, we do have a 15 minute right above us, so I'd go break even at that. Let's try it. Go break even at that 15 minute candle. Target this candle up here. Oh man, that order block saved us. Alright, break even. Whatever. If that's the case, what? Tap the hourly. Do we have an SMT at those highs? You're expecting that 15 minute? What the fuck? That's insane. SMT at the highs? No way. What the fuck? 845 high. Wait. 840. Wait, what high did we? 8 o'clock high. We had an SMT with 8 o'clock high. We did have an SMT with it. That 5 minute invert lower? No fucking shot. We keep going higher. Yeah, we're taking this for sure. 10 a.m. candle though. I would enter off that fair value gap. I'd enter off of it, and I would get break even after we sweep that high. Yeah, there's no entry on that for me, I guess. I'd enter off this fair value gap, probably like around here. Break even after we take that low. Which, yeah, I did take it. Yeah, whatever. Fucking sucks for sure. Order block. 4 hour. Hourly sell side swept. Low, high, lower, low. Breaker for me. Ooh, this looks... Let me think here. It's a 4-hour. You know, I can really respect it. I'll go break even after that. I'll go break even after this high swept. Target a 1 to 2. But would I take it though? We don't. Yeah, we're failing to close about below that too on an hourly, so it looks pretty solid. Okay, we'll try it here. There's my break even. Really? Like I didn't even get a chance to see if I could get out with FX replay. Alright, cool. This actually looks pretty good for a short now. Dude, I'm all over the place. But it's just because the market's over the place. We tapped that order block. 5 minute did not inverse, luckily. 2 minute fair value gap inversed. So now we have like this breaker order block. This would be the short. If we continue going lower, which is my overall bias as well, is short. I'll just put my stop at like the consequent encouragement of that. Target a 1 to 2, break even after that low swept, I guess. When I get out, I'll probably get stopped here. At that point, bro, would I exit there? Fucking hell. Yeah, let's just trail our stop to a break even. Again, that close. We're gonna exit. I'd probably be out of this. Yeah, I'd be out. Let's see if we could just get out without having. Yeah, I would be out. Like maybe. Yeah, I'd probably be out of this candle, honestly, because for me it would be like more so graceful that I'm being able to be break even. Also like the slow resistance though, and then we swept that. Yeah, I would have chilled myself to break even for sure. Okay, whatever. Let's go to the PM session. Okay, I'm digging shorts here overall still. Let's see, maybe we tap that 5 minute above us and get good shorts. Don't go without me, please don't go without me. 5 minute, just a 5 minute tap, just a 5 minute tap, just a 5 minute tap. Okay, potentially we get it here. Is that, I think, it's gonna be a 15 minute as well. Don't do it. Yep, of course. Of course. It's been like that the entire time, bro. So I'm not really tripping. It's pretty obvious that we're gonna keep doing that. 15 minute fair value gap though. We have yet to take that liquidity below us. We're dumping for sure. 15 minutes are getting inversed left and right. Tap the 5 minute order block as well. Come down, inverse this 2 minute. This, my fellow friends, is an A+ setup. We'll put our stop like right here, honestly. Trail 1 to 2, perfect, and go break even at that swing low. So I'm break even here, of course. Okay, it's a 2 p.m. candle that takes us out. Let's see, maybe we get it. 15 minute, we shoot that high. There's a 5 minute right below us. Ooh, this is, nah, that's too risky. Yeah, that's way too risky of a short. Way too risky, because we're in that 5 minute. I want to see that 5 minute inverse. It did. So now it'd look better for shorts now. Did we inverse this 15? No. So if we're shorting, it's short now rather than later. Target like these lows. Are those equal highs? Oh, it's not, thank God. No, I'd put my stop like above this order block. Well, we need 3 type of things. So if I took this short, this area, this order block, 5-minute inversion for value gap, I'll put my stop like above here, honestly. Is that 21? Yeah, it's fine up there, I guess. And I'm sure we're going to form like a fair value gap on the way there. So 1 to 2 lined up perfectly with this AM session low. We have this breaker. Alright, let's see. I'm break even as soon as we sweep this low or any swing low that we recently create. So I'm break even there. Oh my God, of course I get break even, bro. Let me see if I can do it without FX replay. Nope, of course I have to use FX replay. That's so whack, bro. Let me just actually do it. Fucking disgusting, bro. This wick right there. It looked so good too. It looked great, if I must say so myself. Now we get this bullshit. Whatever, bro. Fuck this price action. Dumbass price action, bro. For real. Alright, let's get to the next AM session. No wonder I wanted to take a break. It's all coming back to me. I realize now. Fucking dumb this price action was. Alright, well, 15-minute here. Where are we? Oh, we have to take this. So unless we take that, I'm not really gonna take anything because it's also an hourly. And we already took 1 L off of nothing. Oh, we have FOMC. Alright, let's just go to the PM. Maybe it'll help out price action a bit here. If we get the FOMC candle. Daily. Okay, we tapped this daily fair value gap. Maybe we could get some rejection lowers now. Off of that, there's a 10 a.m. candle now. I'm hoping don't just run without me. I'm hoping we actually get a trade here. Yeah, of course it runs without me. And it's just gonna keep going. Oh wow. Okay, let's go to the next AM session. This is getting absurd. Really, really absurd price action right now. Okay, let's see. Maybe we get something off of this. Fucking 4 hour or 1 hour inversion, 15-minute fair value gap, order block right above us. This is as good as it'll get, honestly, for shorts here. Like, there's no way we're gonna fail this one. Put my stop there. TP 1 to 2. And if you look at it, we're 15. Okay, yeah, this is an A+ setup here, honestly. Let's see, maybe we could even instead of putting it up there, we could like consequent. Yeah, like right there's fair, honestly. 1 to 2. This is as good as it will get. Yeah, I should have went break even as soon as we like swept a bunch of lows, man. I should have played it safe. It's okay. That's fine, whatever. I'm gonna see if we could get something else here. There's a 15-minute. Fuck. Don't tell me it's gonna do it without us. It looks good to keep going higher, but I'll probably, I don't know, this is our break-even point. That's the only scary thing, but it is 1050 now, so it looks pretty good. Alright, my entry would be at this fair value gap. Let's see if we could just do it without having to use FX replay. Please just give me it. Give me the fair value. Okay. Would I enter this now? It is a 5-minute. It's 11 a.m. Alright, whatever. PM session. Maybe we get something here. Still yet to tap that, so maybe we get it here. Bunch of low resistance liquidity building up, though. It doesn't look that good. Okay, of course. This just runs without us. Not even a 5-minute fair value gap for me to take it off of, which is the funny part. Might work here, yeah. I just told you that. Triple equal highs. Can't even short against it. Wonderful. $15-minute inversed. Five-minute tapped, but we left equal highs. So I can't short against it. Left equal highs again. Can't short against it. Left equal lows. Can't long against it. Yeah, it's equal lows. So even if I wanted to target something, which honestly this price action is making me not want to target anything. So let's just I'm not really gonna trade anything here. Let's just go to the PM. Oh fuck, I meant to go to the AM. Where is it? Friday AM. We have 10 AM news regardless, so let's just see what we do here. 10 AM news. Okay. Go to the daily. We inverse the daily. Tap that one above us. On a weekly basis, we were pretty bearish, so we could probably expand higher. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, those lows look good. Man, those lows look really good. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap as well, so maybe. Damn. You know, if it would work, it would work now. But we need like a breaker. I don't like that we're in a 5-minute. That's the only thing, so I can't even take it against it. Yeah, there's equal lows here too. Maybe we'll get something. I'd go break even there if and only if that's a 5-minute, but it's not. We can't really take anything if we're not rejecting off of it. And it's too late now. Okay. Well, let's go to the AM session. Okay, we swept everything. It's now from payroll, finally. I lied, it's not non-farm payroll. So we go straight to the PM. You know what? If this is how we're trading, dude, we're gonna trade like nothing, dude. There's nothing to trade. 5-minute. Wow, like look at that, man. This is really becoming super annoying. And then it'll probably work here for shorts. And psych. Get off that order block. I don't like that William versus 15. But at this point, this is like the only trade we could get here. All that low resistance, liquidity building upwards. This is quite literally the only trade we can get here. 1 to 2. Daily fair value gap. 4 hour. It's 15-minute, but I don't know. I'll try it. I'll go break even at that high. This is my break even point. Straight to break even. And of course, it works right afterwards. Did we, where's that? Yes. Did we take that low though? Yes, as well. 5 minutes, so I can't even take that short. I don't want to take it. This might work. Honestly, at this point, I'll take whatever I can get. I could target this high. Coming down off this 5 minute. 2 minute getting inversed now. Break even at that high. Stop below that low. There's my break even point. We might actually get this trade. Okay. There's that 15. Hold up, let's go back. Let's not do that. I was too impatient of me. Fuck. Would I enter off this 1 minute? Where would my entry even be, honestly? I would probably enter off an inversion. If I can't get like the breaker formation, I'll probably enter off the inversion. But that's what I was waiting for, was that 15 minutes to get tapped. And I'm so happy we didn't take that. I thought we were gonna take that for sure. I thought we were gonna take it without us, and that's why I was even more upset. But if we get this, that we did get this 4 minute. I think right there. Yeah. Okay. So since that's our 4 minute fair value gap there, this is our breakaway gap. I wouldn't even want to see this tapped. I'll put my stop under here for sure. No equal lows, right? Maybe it saved us. Wow, look at that. It would have saved us. Damn, imagine I got stopped out because of it. Alright, well, let's go to the next AM session here. We have this 10 AM news, so let's just get to it. Daily, we're just dumping, bro. This has really been not the best price action. I remember this. Wow. Alright, let's see here. We have this low. We already swept this low right here. So I don't expect us to tap that 4 hour, but once again, I didn't expect us to do a lot of things and I still did it. So who knows? I think we left equal highs, relatively equal. I don't know, man. I'm just so tired of this price action. But I'm just gonna trade with the bias. Hopefully it plays out. There is a chance I might take that if it's a 5 minute. It is a 5 minute, but we didn't inverse it. Okay. And it's really close to that low, and we're stalling. I like that, honestly. But also look at like the way we're moving is weird. But 2 minute inverse as well. This 1 minute has this now like high, low, higher, high. Threshold of this violated at this candle. This looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. And there's an order block above us. Yeah, okay. I'll probably take it. And our stop is not that equal highs. There is equal highs there, but it's not our stop, which is what we can't trade against. So, where's our most recent order? I'll just do this order block, honestly. 1 to 2. We'll get it right here. Trust me, we will. That's kind of our break even, but fuck, that's look at our break even. That's most recent swing low. That's the way we would play, is most recent swing low right there. We did leave equal lows, but it's not even equal lows. But yeah, I wouldn't be able to keep staying in this trade after we take that most recent swing. But maybe we get it. Ooh, this looks a little better too, honestly. What is that? I'm tired of this trade, man. I'm tired of it, honestly. It worked. Oh, it worked. I probably should have taken it, but I'm so tired of this PA, bro. Like, there's no way that we're moving this much. Oh, look at this disgusting ass price action. I'll probably even go break even somewhere. Let me see. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. If I had entered there after we took this most recent break even, the most recent swing low, yeah, we'd have got break even like literally 2 minutes after. Alright, let's go to the PM. Let's just, if this is the price action, I can't really do much about it. Already lost 2% off of this month's amount. So let's see if we could regain that 2% back and just call it a month. There's a 15-minute fair value gap right above us. Daily low. Like, it's so annoying. It's really annoying price action. That's what it is. I'll see though. We'll see. Maybe we get a good setup here as a buzzer beater. Maybe. Just maybe. This might work. Just maybe. Let me see. Where are we at in price action? Oh, we met our objective? We did, but no, that's an old ass objective. What is this? Oh, that's our entry. I'm silly. We have this low right here that looks pretty solid, right? And then 1 p.m. opens. Moved higher into this 15-minute fair value gap. 1 p.m. open. It just wiggled around. Okay, I mean, no way, bro. Straight to our stop. No, there's no way I would even, like, I don't know. Maybe I would go break even in a live market because that was a riskier trade, but even then, I'm just so tired, dude. I'm not gonna take another setup unless we get a good one. Fuck, that looks good. What are we in? 15-minute respected. Oh, dude, the way this looks is so delicious. I'd even put my stop like right there. 1 to 2 would be with that. That just looks so good. Go break even there. What's a 1 to 1? What would a 1-to-1 look like? Like right down here? It wouldn't even matter. It wouldn't even matter. It wouldn't even matter, bro. This mark, I don't know what's going on, but all I know is someone's watching this, my live stream, and is making me do these dumbass break-evens, bro. Like getting these dumbass break-even. Oh, we even went there, but would I have even taken something along the lines here? Probably not, because there's no more inefficiencies and no 5-minute. Okay, we inversed the 15-minute. Please tell me there's a 5-minute. There's this tiny 5-minute, but okay, so would I enter off that as a continuation lower? I mean, this looks like it's just gonna keep going down for sure. Order block here hit as well. 15-minute inversed. This tiny 5-minute fair value gap getting respected. 2 p.m. candle making us move relatively higher, down. If we short, this would be our area that would most likely work. I'm just gonna target like a 1-to-1, bro. There's our break even. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got something, guys. We got something. We finally did it. I know our R was scuffed and I typically target 1-to-2s, but I've learned now that, like, bro, this market is making me target 1-to-1.5s. And look at that, instant break even. That's exactly why I took that, whatever I got. I was getting, like, whatever it gave me, I'm happy with now. Like, you can't be greedy in a market that's not given out to the needy. Oh, someone write that down. Someone write it down. Fuck, this looks like it might even long. Where are we at? The hourly got itched way too much. Now we have like this breaker order block to protect us. Expensive candles going higher. Target that. Go break even relatively quickly. Right there's my break even. Bang, baby. Let's go. That looks beautiful. We're targeting that hourly high up there. For sure this is gonna get hit like a motherfucker. But I just need to not be greedy right now, you know? Would have hit. Oh, I would have hit. That would have been a 1-to-2.5 basically. Target that. That would have been beautiful, but I can't be greedy right now, like I said. I think we're back at we're relatively back at the starting balance. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I can't risk it, man. Oh, that looks pretty good. That does look pretty good as a short, but I think it's not a 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, break even at that 5-minute. I'm just gonna let it go without me. Yeah, I'm so glad I let it go without me, because it was close to the 3 p.m. candle as well. And I mean, we would have got break even at the 5-minute, whatever. All right, let's go to the next AM session. Okay. Okay, we have until Friday. Wait, if it's Friday, October 1st, how the hell do we not have non-farm payroll? It's next Friday. Okay, that's fair. Let me take a sip of water. All right, I'm back. I just got some water. Anyways, let's see. Maybe we get some buzzer beater trades in, because that market looked clean towards that day. Maybe it was just a daily thing, but if not, it's going for that low for sure. Fuck, we're not really in anything. 15-minute fair value gap order block, so there is something. If there's an SMT with those, a huge SMT. But it's like a weird SMT, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's for sure gonna take that out, but I would rather wait for like a, that looks like it's gonna do it there. Okay, I would have got break even regardless. Wow. 15-minute. Two-minute about it inverse. Fuck, dude. I was gonna take that if the 2-minute inverse properly. I should probably stuck to my own model. But it looked good. That looks good too, but our break-even point was met. Yeah, you see. It's really exactly why you need to be careful with those trades. Okay. That looks good, but I need something better. Maybe we get it here. Don't leave equal lows. We left 4. Through 2. We left 2 equal lows. Don't do it. Please don't do it. That's doing it. And there's our break-even point. Well, actually, it would be there, but even then, it looked good. Then it's gonna. Oh, thank God. Okay, we left that high. Maybe we get it. Tap it. Like there. Oh, fuck me, dude. What's going on? That's fine. I wouldn't have even caught a trade here because it's pal speaking. I just realized that, so I was gonna go ahead and ignore that. It's gonna go up there. Potentially. Nope, there's no entry for it, so I can't even take it. This would work, honestly. This would be the entry if we had swept that 4-hour liquidity, but we left equal lows at it. Or not even equal lows, just relative equal lows, so there's no way I would even take that. Oh, look at this market, man. Okay, hourly fair value gap order block just tapped as well. Maybe we get some shorts here. It looks like it's gonna work off that, but I need clear price action, man. I don't want this junky ass price action. Oh, that looks good, but it's 3 o'clock, so I can't even take it. And we would have got break even regardless after we swept all those lows. And then, of course, we just run right to it, and we fucking almost sweep it as well. Next, Genium News. internal. Maybe we get back to internal. Who knows? What are we tapping into? That looks decent. Breaker 15-minute fair value gap. Oh my god, it has not happened in such a long time. 1 hour fair value gap inverse after an hourly sell side sweep, 50 hourly fair value gap, and an order block tap. Dude, we have not gotten a setup like this in forever. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. We actually might get a 1 to 2 here. No way. Our stop should have been below that low. Honestly, I'm keeping that L for sure. That should have been a break-even trade, but instead I decided to put my stop in the dumbass area. I'm taking that L. I don't give a fuck. In a live market, for sure, I would keep my stop below this low, but I decided to do it here. That type of stupidity should not be rewarded, so I'm gonna keep that loss. That looks good for longs. Yeah, at least you guys get to see why it's so important you guys put your break-evens at a area where it's safe. That's exactly why, because that order block would have saved us, but instead I decided not to do what I always do. All right, let's see, we swept that. Do we want to expand through it or what? Like, let's see what it wants to do. Building low resistance liquidity, interesting choice. Don't leave equal highs. Oh, that looks pretty good. Breaker. Tap that hourly. Yeah, we do. We are in a 5-minute. But the way it's moving, though, a lot of low resistance. Is that equal lows? 82.75, 82.75. So be breaker for value. That looks good, bro. I don't like that we're in a 5-minute. Like at all. Maybe we like. Fuck, that's good. It's the 5-minute, bro. It's the 5-minute that's throwing me off. I gotta hold on and I gotta wait. What do we do? We tap a. Nope. Tap nothing, bro. There's nothing like fucking hell. Equalize, but that's not even my stop. But if there's an SMT, then maybe I'd take. There is. It's okay. I'd take it and I'd go break even at that low, right there. As soon as I get close to it, that's like my. I would have got break even. I'm not even gonna fucking go back and take anything there. But 3 drives pattern, maybe we get. Fucking hell, 2 p.m. Okay, I already tapped a little more now. 15-minute displacing through that high. 5-minute fair value gap right below us. Let's see if we could get to pay. Equal lows really triple. Okay, there we go. We took it. There's a 5-minute right above us. Break even at this high. Oh, matches with that too. Look, we tapped that hourly. We met a lot of objectives. 4 hour failed to inverse below the or close below that. 15-minute market structure shift to come down, tap a 15-minute order block wick right there. So it was a 5-minute fair value gap. And we have that type of move. Honestly, like it. I could see a higher expansion quickly. Bang, baby. That was a 1-to-1, but I would target like a 1-to-2 here. A 1-to-1 to just protect us because we're about to close out. I'll just take the 1-to-1, honestly. Damn, that 1-to-2 worked like a beaut. Oh my god. Yeah, we've been accepting lower trades. That's intolerable, but you know, it's I'm taking whatever I can, man. I wanted to pay back for that L I took earlier. Friday, October 1st. Let's just finish this trading week out. Let's call it quick. Maybe October has better price action than August and September. Maybe, just maybe. Okay. Damn, that A plus setup that I took earlier, where it was like a 15-minute fair value gap and hourly sell side sweep with an order block and fair value gap tapped. I'm really, you know, I think the stop should have been below that low. I got too like caught up in how good the trade was and didn't really think to trade it. I didn't even realize we were on ES. What the fuck? Did I trade ES? I don't care. I trade both, but I don't really ever trade ES. Was it on ES? Oh shit, it was. Damn. Hey, ES had some clean. Wait, that low-key means there was probably better trades on NASDAQ. Whatever, I'll just accept it. Even though low-key, NASDAQ probably had better trades right now. When was that? When was that trade? 9:30. 2:30 basically. On a Thursday, so it'd be around here. 2:30 would be. And I still would have gone a perfect one. Oh, 2:30 would have been that. Or was it this that I entered? I don't even know. Regardless, it looks like I worked out. We actually even took that high out before even getting break even, so, or before getting stopped out. Regardless, good trade. I'm surprised ES actually had clean price action. What if this entire time ES was the good price act? Don't tell me that it's been like that. Or I'm gonna try ES today. Maybe it was just a fluke with that one trade. I didn't even notice I was on ES, but regardless, it looked clean. SMT. Yeah, it looks pretty good for shorts. I just need something good to short off of. Damn, this low-key looks good, but I wanted to see like a sell side, buy side sweep. Watch ES have that buy side sweep. Have I been trading the wrong fucking thing this entire time? Don't tell me I have been. I mean, there was no entry on here regardless, but fucking hell. I'm very tired. Ugh. Alright, well, let's just call off the month. We just went, I think, the entire month. I think we did good still overall. Holy shit, we did so many L's that would have not really taken place. But overall, we did approximately 4% on the initial balance, 2% on the overall. So, you know, we're still it's a work in progress, but I'm hoping we get better price action this October, November, and December. All right, I'll see you guys next time.